let us see different types of loops. First loop that I'll show you is while, and here 1 is given. Then cout hello. Now here this loop will repeat as long as this condition is true. Already I have given 1, so this will be always true. So it means this will enter into infinite loop. Let us see. See, it is continuously displaying hello, hello, go on displaying hello. If I am unable to scroll up, so it's go on displaying hello. This has entered into infinite loop. So as this is always true, so this is infinite loop. See, these many times it has displayed hello. I am scrolling here on this window so many times. I had to stop this program forcibly because it was not terminating, it is in infinite loop. Now instead of that, I want to run it for some number of times. Like I will declare some variable integer I, and that is assigned to 0. Now I want to say while I less than 10. Okay, as long as I is less than 10, it should display hello. Let us run and see. It's more than 10 times. It's going on repeating. Again it is infinite. It's not stopping. I should stop forcibly here by clicking here. I have stopped it. Why it is not stopping? What is the reason? See, I value is 0, I is less than 10. Yes, always 0 is less than 10. So it's going on printing hello. So what I should do? I should modify so that it reaches a 10. So for that purpose, I will write I++. Yes. Now it will print this hello for 10 times. I starts from 0. I will stop at 10 and it will continue till 9. Let us run this. Yeah, now it has printed just hello for 10 times. So the point that we have learned here is whatever the condition is written here, that must become false at some point. Otherwise it enters into infinite loop. I will debug this program and show you. So for that I'll put a breakpoint here and I will run the program. Now here you can see that value of I is 33234. So that is some garbage number and it has stopped at this point. Now we'll press F7, function F7. Now I is 0. Here in the watch you can see this I is 0 and I is less than 10. So it will enter inside and print hello. Then I++. It's not yet executed. F7. Now I became 1 and it has jumped onto this one and I is less than 10. Press F7. Now I++ I becomes 2. I is changing to 2. Then I becomes 3. I is 4. So you can check the value of I, that is 4. Then go on repeating it. I am repeating it by pressing F7, function F7. So I is 8 now and I is 9 now. I value is 9. You can check here, I value is 9 and it is showing here in the watch window. Then I became 10 and 10 is not less than 10, so it will come out. That's it. So in this way, with the help of debugger, you can see every statement how it is executing. So this is while loop. I'll remove the breakpoint, delete breakpoint. Same thing I can do it using do while loop also. I will remove this and say do, and here I will say while I is less than 10 and semicolon, and also after hello let us give /n for a new line. Now let us run the program and see. Yes, it is printing hello for 10 times. Is it really 10 times? What I'll do is, before hello I will print the value of I also, and I'll give some space before hello. Let us run it again. Yes, it is from 0 to 9, so it is total 10 times it is printing hello. So same program can be written using do while loop also. Now let me show you for loop. Same thing I will write for integer I assigned 0 and I is less than 10, I plus plus. I have already declared I there, so I should remove I from here. See, inside the for loop only I is declared, then here I will say cout, I, then space hello and slash n. It's the same thing. See, inside for loop, this declaration and initialization and the condition that we were using in while and the increment that we were using inside while and do while, that all came in a single line. Because I is used as a counter, so all the things related to a counter are written in a single bracket. So this is easy for reading and everything is at one place. Let us run the program and see what happens. Yeah, it is printing hello from 0 to 9, so total 10 times it is printing hello. Let us put a breakpoint and run the program. Now I'll go on pressing F7, so you can see that it is displaying one by one and I has become 4 and 5, 6, 7. See, it will not show these as separate step, it will show it as a single line only. Now after printing hello, it will go to this for loop line and in this it will increment the value and then check the condition, then it will come inside. Now the value of I is 7, then 8, then printed, then 9 and printed, now 10. It has stopped. So when I became 10, it has stopped. So the same piece of code I have shown you using while loop and for loop and do while loop. So it can be done using all three loops. So try this one sample program, you can try it on your computer.